In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the contact name in your Gmail account. This is a simple process, but can be confusing if you haven't done it before. Whether you've recently changed a name or realized a contact is displayed wrong, it's important to keep your contact list accurate and up to date. It helps ensure that email functions such as search, autocomplete, and labeling work without a hitch. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by opening a web browser and heading over to Google's website. Once you're on Google's homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner for the app's icon, which looks like a square made up of 9 small dots. Just click on that. You'll see a list of Google applications, and among them, you should spot the Contacts app. Click on it to open your Google Contacts. Now that you're in Google Contacts, the next step is to find the specific contact whose name you'd like to change. You can do this by using the search bar at the top, which is particularly handy if you have a long list of contacts. Simply type the name or email of the contact you're looking for, and it should appear in your search results. After locating the contact, click on their name to open their details. This will take you to a page with all the information you have stored for this particular contact. Here, you can see details like their email and phone number. What you want to do now is look for the Edit button, often represented by a pencil icon, which should be located somewhere near the top or next to their name. Give that a click to move into edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, you can simply click on the field displaying the contact's current name and alter it to the new name you prefer. Take a moment to ensure you haven't made any typos and that the name is entered exactly as you wish it to appear. Mistakes here could cause confusion later on. When you're satisfied with the new contact name, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. The Save button is usually found at the top right of the edit page, and it ensures that your modification takes effect immediately. Once saved, the contact will now appear with the new name both in Google Contacts and whenever you compose an email in Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully changed a contact's name in Gmail. Keeping your contacts updated ensures better communication and fewer bounced emails. I hope this guide has been informative and helps you maintain a more organized email system. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.